This is how you can get rid of mice and rats naturally using a simple homemade trick that almost nobody talks about. Let me show you a simple method that many people are now using as a homemade alternative to help keep rats and mice away naturally. And the best part is that you only need a few basic ingredients you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now. We're going to use a very ripe banana as the base for this trick. Now, the reason a ripe banana works so well is because the stronger the smell becomes, the more attractive it is to rodents. Grab one banana and break it in half. Then take a spoon and scoop all of the inside into a small bowl or cup. Once you've done that, grab a fork and mash everything together until it turns into a smooth puree. You don't want large chunks left over because we want the mixture to combine evenly in the next step. Now here's where this trick starts to work. Grab some baking soda. Add about 1 tablespoon directly into the mashed banana. Baking soda has been used in homemade pest remedies for years because of the reaction it creates once consumed. Next, grab some sugar and add another tablespoon into the mixture. This is going to make the scent even more attractive and harder for rodents to resist. Go ahead and mix everything together until you end up with a smooth paste. And there's another important detail that most people skip. Once your mixture is ready, place it back inside the banana peel. You can also use small pieces of aluminum foil or shallow plastic lids if you want. The goal is to keep the scent concentrated so rodents can find it faster. Now, before we place this around the house, let me give you one quick tip that makes a huge difference. Try doing this at night when mice and rats are most active, and avoid leaving extra food sitting around nearby. If other food sources are available, there's a much smaller chance they'll go after the bait. Now go ahead and place the banana mixture in strategic areas around your home. Focus on places like behind appliances, under sinks, inside garages, near trash bins, dark corners, patios, storage rooms, or anywhere you've noticed rodent activity before. One thing you'll notice immediately is how simple this method is compared to traditional traps. There's no setting mechanisms, no harsh odors from chemicals, and no expensive equipment involved. Now, while this mixture is sitting in those problem areas, the scent from the banana and sugar helps attract rodents quickly, while the baking soda is what makes this homemade trick work. After placing everything around your home, give it some time overnight and continue checking the areas where you normally notice activity. Many people say they begin noticing fewer signs of rodents after consistently using simple homemade methods like this. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and save it so you can come back to it later. And if you decide to try this method yourself, come back and leave a comment letting everyone know how it worked for you. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more simple household tips and homemade tricks coming soon.